Alright, so here we have a flash photon. So basically, we're going to set it up once again. So it's a pulsing blue color. And from here, we're going to open up the Particle app, which you can go to either the Play Store or the App Store to download. In the Particle app, when you initially begin, you will be asked to pretty much sign in or sign up using general information, nothing too fancy. And then if you already have an account, you'll just log in like normal, which I already have created an account. Okay, so we are logging in. You can see that the photon was previously named Pineapple. So I'm gonna add the photon once again, and then you have this general setup information here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit ready, and then it already found my photon's Wi-Fi. So now my phone is attempting to connect to this Wi-Fi source. See, you can see a little notification from my phone saying that it went off my Wi-Fi network and onto my data plan, trying to connect to the photon. So now you will find your network, and then you will insert your password, whichever that may be, to connect to that network. Alright, so now it's beginning the connection process. Oh, and you can see there's a change in color. It's like it's blinking rapidly green. And you can see a green check mark stating that you've successfully completed the setup. I'm going to once again call it Pineapple, but with a capital P. Alright, so we continue from here. I'm going to go ahead and select the Pineapple photon. You can see it doesn't have a tinker here, which it should have. Okay, so we will have to go through this again. I'm going to once again set up this photon really fast. So it should find a device here. I'm really going to go through the motions. So it's taking some time to do that. Okay, and it's going to ask for your network once again. If you have a private network, you will most likely have to manually input everything. Alright, so we're in that process once again. It was once rapidly moving green, and now it's that blue-green color also again. Okay, so we've successfully completed it. Let's see if it's true. Yes, it is. Tinker. And it's time. Here you see the diagram setup of all the individual pins on the photon. Here we can pretty much do an analog read, which allows us to sort of have a value that appears, and then whenever we press that pin, the value changes. There's also an analog write button. When we select that, you can see a little gauge here that we can alter physically by moving up and down. There's also an aspect where you can just reset all pin functions, so you don't have to kind of reset the entire photon if you think that is what you're supposed to do. And then here we're gonna see how to toggle the LED. All you have to do is press the D7 pin, and you're gonna do a right, and you're gonna see that it's a red circle around the D7 pin. Once you press it, it's gonna show that there's a high value right next to the circle, and then you'll see a blue LED. Press it once again and it disappears, so it turns it off. So low would be the off button, and then high, low, high, low, high. So there we go, we just toggled the LED. And then if you want to see this again, whenever we touch this pin, you can see the change in values there. So that concludes our video. Thank you.